In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays savings account online. We'll walk through the entire process in the Barclays app so you know exactly what to expect. Before you start, make sure your app is up to date and that you have a secure internet connection. Then open the Barclays app and log into your account using your usual method. This ensures the app can pull in your existing details and speed up the application. From the home screen, tap Products and then select Savings. This is where you'll see all the available savings accounts. Take a moment to browse and compare. Think about how you plan to use the account. Do you want easy access to your money, or are you comfortable locking it away for a higher rate? Pay attention to the interest rate, how interest is calculated and paid, any minimum balance or deposit requirements, and whether there are limits or notice periods on withdrawals. The product pages usually explain these points clearly. Once you've found the account that suits your needs, tap Apply Now. You'll be shown an overview of the account's key details. Read through this carefully. When you're ready, tap Next and agree to the terms and conditions. It's worth scanning the small print for things like fees, withdrawal rules, and how rate changes are communicated. You'll then choose whether you want a sole account or a joint account. A sole account is just for you, a joint account is shared with another person, and both of you will have access and responsibility. Select the option that matches how you plan to use the savings. Next, answer the required tax and residency questions. These are standard for financial regulations and help ensure your account is set up correctly. Provide accurate information that matches your records to avoid delays. You'll be asked how often you want to receive statements. Pick the frequency that works for you and consider going paperless if you prefer everything in the app. Then enter your initial deposit. Make sure the amount meets any minimum required for the account and that the funds are available in your source account. Before finishing, review all your details on the summary screen. Double check the account type, interest rate, statement preferences, and deposit amount, along with your personal information. If everything looks good, tap Open Account to complete the process. And that's it. Your Barclays savings account has been successfully opened. You should see a confirmation in the app, and your new account will appear alongside your other accounts, ready to use.